Hi, today I'm going to show you how to create this loose beach waves look. It's perfect for any occasion, shopping, going out for a meal. It's just really an all-round hairstyle and it takes about 10 minutes. So if you want to find out how to do it, keep watching. Okay, so you want to start by brushing your hair through, just to make sure you don't have any knots, tangles. Okay, and then I'm going to use some heat protectant spray. I'm using Mark Hill Get Gorgeous Turn Up the Heat. Just this one here. Just going to spray a little through the hair. So now you want to section your hair. I'm going to take it just above the ears. I've got really thick hair. And I want loose waves, so. Okay. Now you want to take a good section of hair. So you can see here. Now you want to take your Babyliss curling wand and just gently fold around the hair, making sure not to touch the wave wand. It is very hot. So leave it there for about 10 seconds and then take it out. You will be left with something like this, but don't worry because we're going to brush it out at the end. Okay, so now we've done all the layers, and as you can see, I have shorter layers at the top, so it's a bit harder to get mine to blend in. But now all we're going to do is we're just going to run our fingers through the hair, just to loosen up these waves. Okay, so now we're going to run some hairspray through the hair. So rub this in the